G'day guys, Paul Belcher from Roberts Real Estate and welcome to my new listing at 70 Southview Crescent in beautiful New Norfolk. We're in a great location with magnificent rural views set on over 1,050 square metre block, and the home is 3-bedroom. Let's go in and take a look. This home really is in an ideal location. We've got a garage, carport, multiple sheds, and we've got magnificent gardens. If you've been looking to step into the market or build that rental portfolio, this one's for you. For more information or to book an inspection, please don't hesitate to call me. I'm available 7 days a week and I'm here to help.